Do you want to make a professional marketing videos but don't have a camera, editing skills, or even a product to record? What if an AI tool could create videos for you in just a few minutes? Today I am going to show you Pippit AI and see if it's really worth using. AI video tools are becoming more popular every day, but many of them are still difficult to use. Some need editing skills while others requires different software for different tasks. Pippit AI tries to make everything easier by putting many AI tools in one place. In this video, I will show you its main features, how it works, and whether it's good choice for beginners, creators, and online businesses. This video is for educational and information purposes only. The features and pricing mentioned are based on official Pippit AI website at the time of recording. Always check the official website for the latest update before making any decision. So what exactly is Pippit AI? Pippit AI is an online platform that helps you create videos and marketing content using artificial intelligence. Instead of spending hours recording videos or learning complicated editing softwares, you can simply upload an image, add a text prompt, or even use a product link, and the AI will help you create a professional-looking videos. The platform is designed to save time and make content creation easier. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, Pippit AI gives you tools that can help speed up your workflow. One of the most useful features is anything to video. With this tool, you can start with a simple image or a text prompt or product information. The AI then creates a complete marketing video for you. It can automatically add scenes, animation, caption, and other visual elements. This means you don't need to spend hours editing your videos manually. For beginners, this feature can make video creation much easier and much faster.
Discover the secret to a new kind of glow, where nature's purity meets scientific brilliance. Unveil a radiance that is exquisitely refined, crafted for perfection, delivered in every single drop. Your luxury skincare ritual beautifully revealed.
Another great feature is image generation. If you don't have a professional product photos, Pippit AI can help create attractive AI-generated images. These images can then be used in your marketing videos or social media posts. This can be especially useful for online stores, small businesses, and content creators who want a professional-looking visuals without hiring a photographer. Now let's talk about another interesting feature called reference video generation. Imagine you find a marketing video whose styles you really like. Instead of creating everything from the beginning, you can upload that video as a reference. Pippit AI studies the video style, flow, and structure, then create a new marketing video for your own product. This can save a lot of time and give you fresh idea for your content.
To timeless radiance, a single drop, rich with pure essence, unveiling a world of luminous beauty, crafted to awaken your skin's natural glow. Embrace your radiance, embrace the essence.
If your audience speaks different languages, the video generation feature can also be very helpful. Instead of making the same video again and again, Pippit AI can translate your video into other supported languages. This makes it easier to reach more people around the world while saving both time and effort. So, who is this platform best for? Pippit AI is a good choice for content creators, online store owners, affiliate marketers, social media managers, digital marketing agencies, and beginners. If you create video for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or online businesses, this platform could help you create content much faster.
है प्रीमियम गोल्ड सीरम। सुनहरी चमक से भरपूर यह त्वचा को पोषण देकर निखार और चमक प्रदान करता है। अपनी त्वचा की देखभाल को बनाएं और भी खास।
This video is for educational and information purposes only. The features and pricing mentioned are based on official Pippit AI website at the time of recording. Always check the official website for the latest update before making any decision. Like every AI tool, Pippit AI has both advantages and limitations. Some of the biggest advantages are that it's easy to use, beginner-friendly, and offer multiple AI tools in one platform. It can save a lot of time by helping you create video much faster. Some advanced features may require a paid subscription. Also, AI-generated videos should always be reviewed before publishing. Overall, Pippit AI brings together several useful AI tools in one platform. Instead of using different websites for images, videos, translation, and marketing content, you can do most of your work in one place. If you are looking for an easy way to create marketing videos without spending hours editing, Pippit AI is definitely worth exploring. If you are looking for an easy way to create marketing videos without spending hours editing, Pippit AI is definitely worth exploring. The best way to know if it fits your needs is to try it yourself. Remember, AI tools are designed to help you work faster, but they don't replace your creativity. Always review your content before publishing and check the official website for the latest features and pricing. If you would like to try Pippit AI, you will find the official website link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and technology videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.